18. How's everybody doing? Is it not hot? It's hot, right? We're still okay. Great.
Hi everyone. Let's welcome everyone. Hi everyone! Welcome to our live sound check. Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Yeah! Ayun, kaya naman pala eh.
But before we begin, let me remind you guys that we should keep ourselves safe. So no pushing guys, and medyo mainit. So ayun, mag-ingat tayo. Are you guys excited? Excited na kayo?
Kumain na ba kayo? You guys eat? Kumakain? Ako, yari. Hindi ka kumakain.
Pakainin mo yung Aston.
Okay, so... Nasabi na naman lahat. And huwag na natin patagalan pa. We'll start with our first live sound check song. This one's called Mapa. Let's do it. Love you too.
Aku nampak na mag-enjoy kayo. Siyempre, mas lalo pang mag-enjoy kayo and mainit na ngayon, so pasensya nyo na namin kasi mas init pa.
Actually, parang medyo malamig yung feeling. Parang mahangin.
Presko.
Yeah.
Maganda yung weather, no?
Pero I'm curious na din kung lahat ba nakakaintindi ng Tagalog dito? Lahat ba? I can understand, is there an international fan here? Are there international who can understand Filipino? Anyone? Some of you guys. Paki-translate na yun.
Okay, let's get it.
Dala kayo ng tubig? Did you bring your water? No?
Ano na kayong water?
Okay, I'll give you.
Bawal? Kami na lang mamaya, magano kami ng water. Okay lang? Water? Okay.
Tama-tama, oh. May swimming pool, oh.
Di ba sabi mo gusto mo mag-stage dive? Doon na lang. Sa pool na lang. Sa pool.
Okay, sige mamaya.
Let's proceed to our next
Siyempre, before we
sound check.
proceed, I'd just like to remind everyone, no pushing. Na pag-kompleto tayo dito. And siyempre, safety first. And let's all have fun, even though it's hot, you know. Diba? Energy on. Let's go.
Of course, we really came prepared para sa inyo guys para mag-enjoy kayo. So, here's the next song. Let's go. Ready?
It's a boss now. I just turned the road, but take down, and y'all can't quit thinking 'cause you don't know how I did it. Bound to be Mitch Brown how. Don't you see? This is my legacy. Now how you gonna get to me? When I hit the almighty, the baby me, my baby, I think the Lord gets heaven. Throw it away. The world and the good times stay. Is there a way to break the curse and stop this?
my boys then. 1, 2, 3, go. That's my boy still! Di man magdunggan.
Oh yeah, medyo mainit na sa...
That's my boy still!
Medyo mainit na talaga.
Yung mga banners...
Still! That's my boy! 1, 2, 3. That's my boy still!
Keep hydrated, guys. Keep hydrated. Stay hydrated. Kasi it's gonna be really hot in here once we start the concert, diba? So no pushing.
Josh!
We had, syempre mga other performances before na medyo nahihirapan huminga yung iba, nagsabi na mainit. So no pushing, pero let's have fun, diba? And guys, if you want something to drink, meron po tayo refreshment area. Pwede kayo kumuha ng water, ng soda, anything you want. Doon po.